guys. So welcome to my new channel Beauty and Beyond with Tulsi. जैसा कि आपको thumbnail से पता ही चल गया होगा कि today I'm going to review Sugar Pop products which I've ordered I think a month ago but I was not well, so अब मैं इसे open करके इसे use करने वाली हूँ in front of you all and will share then an honest review with all of you. So keep watching. So this is a very pretty pouch from Sugar Pop and sequin pouch है. मुझे इसकी look बहुत पसंद आई थी and these two are my favorite colors, white and pink. So this is very satisfying also and quite spacious. You can see it's quite big in size, so you can keep in your bag or you can keep a lot of stuff like lipsticks, mascaras in it. So yeah, it is quite usable. In this bag we got 8 products and now I'm going to use one by one and tell you my honest review on that. So the very first product from the bag is this Sugar Pop lip balm and ये मैंने 2-3 बार यूज़ कर लिया है and I really like it. So it gives a little pink color to the lips and which is nice अगर आपको lip color नहीं लगाना, घर पे रहना है और अच्छा भी दिखना है थोड़ा तो strawberry पे. And the second product is my favorite because it's a blue color matte eyeliner which gives your eyes a different look and very vibrant too. So let's try it. I messed it up. Let me clean this, okay? So the next product from the bag is this Sugar Pop mascara. Okay, let's try. मुझे कोई खास ऐसा पसंद नहीं आया ये वाला. डेली वेयर के लिए ठीक है बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट वॉल्यूमिनस और लेंथनिंग योर eyeliner eyelashes. So this is okayish. I don't really like this product. So the next product is I think every girl's favorite is this blush. So let's try it out in front of the camera only. So let's take a small amount of it, dust the extra and gently I first dab it क्योंकि अगर मैंने स्लाइड कर दिया इसको एकदम से तो इसकी एप्लीकेशन बहुत ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है. As you know, I'm not going anywhere, तो मेरे को इतना डार्क नहीं चाहिए अभी. मुझे सिर्फ एक पिंक फ्लश चाहिए अपने फेस पे जिससे मैं बहुत फ्रेश दिखूँ. And yeah, it's very nice. A little bit on nose and cheeks. So nice. Yeah, I really like it. अब फेस से रिलेटेड बस अब एक ही प्रोडक्ट बच रहा है इसमें which is this gorgeous brown Sugar Pop lipstick. I love nudes. So before that I have to remove the extra creaminess of this lip balm. Yeah, now I'm going to start. How pretty this lip shade is. The whole look has changed. Yeah. Oh, very nice shade. और इस बैग को जब आप ऑर्डर करते हो तो शुगर की वेबसाइट से जब आप ऑर्डर करोगे तो आपको हर एक चीज़ में आपको ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे लाइक इफ़ यू वांट दिस कलर और द अदर कलर्स एंड ब्लश में भी आपको ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं, आईलाइनर कलर्स में भी आपको ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं. तो इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट दे हैव कस्ट गिवन टू यू. यू कैन कस्टमाइज इट. एक और है दिस इज़ लिप ग्लॉस एंड ये है 02 cotton candy and I will not use it on my lips because I have put the brown color, so I will just show you the texture of this lip gloss. It's a creamy one and I suggest कि आप इसे without lipstick use करें अगर आपको एक fresh look चाहिए तो, and it's good. So the last product from the bag is this nail polish, which I've already applied on my nails and looking very subtle and classy. I like this color. You can choose other colors also, so it's up to you. And a very useful thing is there also, this scrunchie, which is quite tight, and इसमें भी बहुत colors available हैं. You can choose any of the colors. So yeah, so these are all the products. This is all about this cute bag. इसमें इतने products थे and I have shared my honest review with you all. So thank you so much for watching and keep supporting this channel by subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you like to share your views about these things, so you can comment below. Thank you so very much, guys.